Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and yes, you're seeing right, that model number is actually the MK442T, standing for towers. And yes, these are the Dayton Audio transmission line tower speakers. And you may be asking, why did I decide to get these? Well, I needed some speakers for my bedroom, and I don't have a lot of space, and I don't plan to put a subwoofer in my bedroom. So I decided to go the route of a speaker that would give me some bass. And these speakers, as crazy as it sounds, and as you'll see, they're very skinny, very small speakers, and they go all the way down to 40 hertz. Can you believe that? Well-known audiophile reviewer Steve Guttenberg, or Gutenberg, whichever he prefers, I believe it's Guttenberg, he was gushing over these speakers. He did a review for CNET, and he also posted that review, I believe, on his YouTube page, and he was gushing over these, saying how good they sound. So, you know, I think it's time to find out. Let's get inside of this box. They're standing, so just put that box down. Okay, so it's double boxed, which is pretty cool. That's good to see. Dayton Audio. It says caution, handle with care. So I'm gonna take my time and not cut too deep here. My box cutter. Don't want to damage these speakers at all. And here they are. Okay, not looking too bad. See how skinny these speakers are? They're so skinny, it's unbelievable. But they pack a punch, and I can't wait to hear them. So I'm gonna stand the box back up and slide the speakers out. Alrighty, so the box is upright. And you've got some reading material here. This says, this gives you the specs. It says Dayton Audio 4-inch two-way transmission line tower pair, model number MK442T. You see some specs right here. I'll give you a quick glance, but I'll be putting some specs up, some graphics. Let's get that out of the way. Get this out. This piece of foam, which is pretty thick. Maybe could be a little thicker. It's surely not as thick as the foam that came with my HSU subwoofers. So let's try to rock this out. Okay, rocking it out. With this top foam here. As you can see, there's some more foam here at the bottom. Let's get that out. Get this out the bag. Stand it up right here, that's one. And the other. Get it out as well. And stand it up, get it out of the foam. Stand it up as well. So one's right side up, the other is upside down. So we're gonna fix that. They actually come with feet already pre-installed. So this is the one that was right side up or upside down. And this is the other, which is already on the other side. And I'm gonna get them out now. So here we go. So they're 38.1 inches high or tall. So they're not very tall. I mean, most towers tend to be around 38, 39, 40 inches maybe. The larger towers maybe more. But they're pretty okay for what they are. They're slim. Let's see what's behind this grill. Very neat looking tweeter. It's kind of cute. Alright, let me get some more info on this. The tweeter is a 3/4 dome silk dome tweeter. 3/4 inch silk dome tweeter. It has dual 4-inch drivers, as you can clearly see. Yes, it's a 4-ohm speaker, so it needs some juice to get going. And it goes all the way down to 40 hertz. The frequency range is 40 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Let me get behind there. That's some decent looking binding posts. Model number right there. There. It's a pretty cheap speaker. I don't expect much more. See the other. There they are from the rear. So this is what they call the transmission line port. So pretty, almost like I'd say a 4-inch square port at the front, and it's covered here with this acoustic transparent material to allow the air from the speakers to flow out, but maybe not too quickly, because that's a part of the tuning. And as we come up, look at these drivers a little closely. And the surround is pretty thick for 4-inch drivers, so it's kind of beefy, I must admit. You have 2 of them. Alright, so the sensitivity on these are 87 dB. And the crossover is 3000 hertz. The dimensions again are 5.7 inches wide. As you can see, they're very thin. 9.6 inches deep. Let me show you the depth. Turn one of these around. There you go. And of course it's 38.1 inches high. This is where they'll actually live, beside my TV set in my bedroom. And as you can see, they're just so thin that they fit perfectly. Now this is a pretty small TV set. This is like a 40-inch TV set, and it fits perfectly in the space. And this is what it replaced some gigantic bookshelf speakers that almost weigh as much as the Daytons. Now these are Infinity P153s. These are some awesome speakers, but I'm going to be using these as part of my Atmos for my home theater. The acoustic material is pretty transparent. I like it. It's not too thin, not too thick either. There you go. There you go. At the bottom of the grill you have the Dayton Audio logo right there. And that's pretty much it for my new towers. I'm going to be doing some demos from this spot right here where they live, and you can look out for that, as well as also look out for demos from my HSU MK5 Mark II subs. I'm going to be doing some movie and music demos on those, so you can listen out for that. That's about it now from the channel. Remember to please, if you have any questions regarding these speakers or want to learn more about these speakers, I'll be dropping some tidbits in my edit on them. If you want to learn more, just ask me below and I'll tell you. Subscribe if you like this content and want to hear more. Please do so. That's about it for now. See you next time.